try a circle.
Three, two, one.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Tech Anorak. So Santa's come early, and my replacement DJi Mini 2's here. So let's get my mate Stanley on the job. Unbox this dude. So I don't know, guys. As you can see, it's sealed. I think it's a brand new one, but we'll maybe do some, don't know, a smell and maybe a taste test. We'll work out if he's a brand new one. Oh, here we go. So this is from Heliguy in the UK. So I've got the repair refresh with them, not DJi, because apparently with DJi, if you send off, won't put that on blast. Apparently with DJi, if you send your drone to them, it goes to the Netherlands, and the turnaround time's really long. This was really good. It was like 5-6 days. So just gonna move the box out, guys. Let's have a look. Okay, so I sent them my Samsung box from, I think probably my tablet that I bought. I had this like return box from Samsung. So I sent them the broken drone and also my DJi Mini 2 controller so that they could pair it up for me. Okay, so here's the drone. I'm seeing stickers, guys. Yeah, brand new, man. Oh, gimbal cover as well. Hey. Brilliant. There you go, guys. So brand spanker. So yeah, I didn't know if it was going to be like a refurb one. There's a couple of stickers missing there, but I presume they will have had to have flown it, just see if there's any other signs of it ever being used, or I think this is brand new. Yeah, even the gimbal stickers are there, so that's going to come from the factory at DJi. So great. I'm really happy to have one of these back in my hands that's going to work. So won't do that. We'll leave the gimbal cover off, guys. So there we go. There's a little dude there, and here's my controller back. So this will just be the same one that I got with it, but there's nothing wrong with it anyway, so it's all good. So yeah, the only downside, I lost the battery. So with Heliguy's repair scheme, you have to give them back like for like. So, I couldn't give them the battery because I couldn't recover it. So therefore, it's lost. So it's fair enough. Would have been nice, but, they can't do everything. Okay, so we'll take these stickers off, guys. It's quite nice, this actually, because when I did my original unboxing, my camera stopped running, so I couldn't give you the full unboxing experience because the stickers, my camera died when I took those off. So there we go. So this is DJi Mini 2, the second coming. So the first one I was calling Jack the Ripper because it cut my finger. My finger, if you look there, guys, get my camera to focus, it's just about healed now. It was only a little nick off the props, but yeah, this is a brand new drone, so we'll treat him like a new child, and I'll come up with a name for him. So yeah, that's it, guys. So recommend Heliguy in the UK, as you've probably seen on my other videos. Oh, look at that, guys. Don't know if that looks like it sticks out a bit too much. Yeah, that's a bit weird. It's flimsy, that back cover, Let me know what you think, guys, if you've got a DJi Mini 2. This concerns me, this back cover, because I had a battery in at the time, so I'm left at the moment with I've got the Fly More combo, obviously, guys. So I've got these 2 batteries, and the one that was in the drone, when it hit the tree, it just flew out, which I think is pretty rubbish, you know. I think what I'll do, I'm going to write to DJi, write to them. I'll send them a letter. No, I'm going to email DJi because, you know, I'm not happy with that. Surely that back cover, it shouldn't fly open. And as you saw there, I've just opened this. It's a brand new drone, and they are really flimsy. But otherwise, brilliant day. You know, really happy to have this replacement with me now. So it's taught me a lesson. Don't use quick moves when you don't know what you're doing. You know, please watch my crash video that showcases how to be an idiot. But yeah, you know, I'm just going to make sure I'm in an open area. I think I have to do risk assessments now. It sounds really sad. You know, I hate like health and safety and stuff like that. And, you know, in sort of a jobs with sort of industry, isn't it? But yeah, I think, you know, I'm going to have to start really thinking, oh, how high is that tree? Need to get my drone higher than that. And, you know, other things, just do a general risk assessment before I start off. I've never also, you know, tried the screws on the props to check whether they're tight enough. You know, if you lose a propeller, you're risking that the drone could just fly off, or, you know, it's going to crash in it if one of these fails. So things like that. But yeah, like I say, really happy boy. I feel like I've got my toy back, and, you know, I've kind of dodged a bullet. So this was £49 for the repair refresh. You don't have to pay an excess. It's just one upfront fee. So if you're in the UK and you're looking for a drone, I still really recommend Heliguy. The turnaround time was really fast for me. The communication with them, they're very prompt. They got this to me on a Saturday as well, which is really nice. So, like I say, all round, Heliguy is great. But yeah, this little dude, my new friend, we'll be doing many, many flights together. Hopefully this one, I don't destroy him, and you know, I can hand him down to my grandkids. I don't think he'll last that long. But yeah. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think about this one. Hit me up in the comments as always. Take Anorak out. Take care. Hi guys, so I always did this. I always do this. Like, I've just thought, do you use 2 batteries, or do you use 3 batteries, guys, or 1? Like, what do you need for your flight needs? Do you need just 2? Do you need 3? I'm just thinking, I've got lots of footage out of this guy, and I've never had to bring it down and change batteries yet. Obviously, I'm just doing short flights and like 20 minutes to half an hour. But yeah, just interested, you know, any Mini 2 owners, if you could let me know, how many batteries do you use? Does it vary? Or, you know, presume some guys have just got this, who've just bought, you know, the standard package. So does that do for you? Or do you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know? Suppose everyone's needs are different, but just interested. All right, guys, I'm definitely going this time. Take Anorak out. See you on the next one.